one of the first priorities is public transit. Arlington uses public transit better than any community, certainly in the Washington area. By concentrating development around metro stations, we can preserve the residential integrity of our neighborhoods, and it seems to me that ought to be a priority. Beyond the emphasis on public transit, which does need federal subsidy, there's no question but that we're going to discourage ridership if we require ridership to pay the full cost. So we've got $1.5 billion authorization. I was involved in getting that authorization with Tom Davis on the other side of the aisle, but it means we have to earmark about $150 million each year for the Washington metro system. So we're doing that. The second thing, we need to take some stewardship over the quality of our water particularly. I've been working with some of the schools in analyzing the quality of water and determining what pollutants are in that water, because ultimately that water comes back and we drink it. And as good as our sanitary sewage treatment center is, it is not adequate to screen all of the pollutants and toxics that are going into our water. One of the things that troubles me is that in the Potomac, for example, every smallmouth bass, which is the principal species of fish, is what's called, every male smallmouth bass, is intersex. They're endocrine disruptors that have, well, that's actually true, and we have the research to show it. They're most likely endocrine disruptors. Now, it doesn't mean that they're unsafe to eat, but it certainly means that there's something wrong. So the quality of water, quality of air, our environment generally, and certainly public transit